Carbon monoxide is the #1 accidental poisoning problem in the United States and in the world. And if those happen to not be working, we'll never know that that is going on until it's too late. So our human body needs oxygen to survive, and oxygen circulates in our red blood cells, but carbon monoxide takes the place of that oxygen. One thing that's really challenging and tricky about carbon monoxide is it's a really small molecule. If someone has had a big enough exposure, meaning that they've now had significant inflammatory changes from the carbon monoxide, we treat them with hyperbaric medicine. This is typically seen in those who have signs of central nervous damage. So people who pass out, people who have seizures, people who have neurologic deficits. So we do see an increase in frequency in carbon monoxide poisoning during the winter months. It's very, very important that you have your carbon monoxide detectors checked on a regular basis.